Hey everyone, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix. This thing is really sharp. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime JR or myself do a video, and you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Now the purpose of this test drive is for you to get a look at the car out in the sun, kind of put you virtually in the driver's seat. So before you make this purchase and travel out here, you know the ins and outs. For all the additional information about what's under the hood, 100 or so extra pictures, the undercarriage, the whole detailed write-up and selling price, you're gonna have to go on over to volocars.com. This thing, I love it. Really beautiful. So let's hop on in. Look at that. Top looks like it's in great shape. Door operates with ease. Looking here, this looks really sharp. This car is over 50 years old, and it's really in just good shape overall. I mean, you're gonna find little stuff here and there, but besides that, nothing sagging. It looks really, really well maintained. Let's go and start her up. So you have your cluster gauges right here. The clock I'm not seeing working. You have your fuel gauge and then the alerts for your engine temp, oil pressure, battery. Overall, yeah, I love this. So I work in the shop. This is the first time myself or any one of us has had a chance to take it on the road. So we're gonna find out anything that we need to repair together. So let's take it out, get a sense for it, and then kind of open it up a little bit later. See the radio. I'm not hearing the radio come on. Hear the fan kick on. Steers pretty smooth. Trying to see if there's any play in the steering wheel. I'm not feeling any. Drives nice and straight. Speedo's working. Alright. I noticed the brakes pull a little to the right there. Let me push on, that's something we'll fix. Easy fix. And the windows are electric as well, up and down. Take it over a few bumps, see if we hear anything. Really no rattle. Very little bit. Smooth ride overall too. And the bumps, it's not too jerky or anything. Sounds really nice. Except besides that pull, everything else on this is really great. That gets up and goes. Sounds great, runs great. like the old school Pontiacs way better than the new ones. Nothing wrong with the newer Pontiacs. But I don't know, the body, the feel. I forgot to mention, it does have the tilt steering wheel. Shifts nice all the way through. Real easy to control. I love this car. And I hope you loved it as much as I do. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, see all the pictures, the write-up, all the details about this, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.